Deciding what size projection screen to buy can be daunting, and there is no shortage of opinions out there on how you should go about it. Believe it or not, there is actually a standard that helps us to determine which size screen is ultimately going to be right for us. SMPTE, or the Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers, recommends that a minimum viewing angle for a movie theater is 30 degrees. This standard, while not official in the home, has been adopted by industry veterans, manufacturers, and installers alike. The 30-degree viewing angle ensures an immersive viewing experience, similar to what you would experience in a commercial theater. Rather than complicate things, we've created a simple table that shows you the distance you should sit from any one of the most common projection screen sizes available on the market today. All of the screen sizes, which are measured diagonally, and their corresponding seating distances ensure that the viewer maintains at least a 30-degree viewing angle, as specified by SMPTE. Based on the seating distance in your own home, you will be able to easily determine which diagonal screen size is going to be right for you using this simple chart. If the screen size you're considering isn't listed on the chart and you simply prefer to do your own calculations, the CEA, or the Consumer Electronics Association, recommends that your seating position rest 3 times that of your screen's viewing height. For example, the 116 by 9 diagonal screen we think we want to buy has a screen viewing height of 49 inches. 49 inches times 3 equals 147 inches. Divide that figure by 12, number of inches in a foot, and you arrive at 12¼ feet. Therefore, placing your seating position roughly 12 feet back from the 100-inch diagonal 16 by 9 screen would result in a 33-degree viewing angle, which is in the ballpark of where you wish to be. As you can see, both our chart and the CEA's method give you similar results. 2 other factors in addition to your seating distance that are worth considering when determining what size screen to buy is your projector's light output and throw distance. While you may physically have the space in the seating distance to accommodate a 150-inch diagonal screen comfortably, you'll want to consult your projector's manual or its manufacturer to ensure that it has adequate light output and a compatible throw distance. Throw distance refers to the distance the projector needs to be placed from the screen in order to cover the entire projection surface area with a bright, colorful image. Light output simply refers to the amount of light your projector is capable of producing. This figure is typically listed in ANSI lumens. The higher the number, for example, 2000 ANSI lumens, the brighter the projector. Typically, the larger the screen, the more light one needs. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more such tech updates. Till then, stay tech savvy and believe in the power of quality.